Hello, dear students. Now I am going to teach you exercise 5.6 questions. And in this exercise, we will study about parametric equations. Some differentiations in this exercise is based on parametric equations. So, what is parametric equation? Let's see here. If x and y are expressed in terms of a third variable, theta or t, then third variable is called the parameter, and equation containing a parameter is known as parametric equations. So, for example, first variable x, second is y. In the previous exercises we have done by this only discussed about two variables only, but here third variable also included here, that is theta or t. So this theta or t known as parameter. For example, x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Here x is variable, y is second variable, and this theta is other variable, that means third variable. So this theta is known as parameter. Such equations are called parametric equations. So these type of two equations are known as parametric equations. And how to solve this? In this parametric equations, we will find out this dy by dx. So what is the criteria? What is the system to find dy by dx? So by chain rule, you know this thing, dy by dt is equal to dy by dx into dx by dt, and from this we can calculate dy by dx equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So it is the formula to find out dy by dx. In cases of theta, in some cases it may be t. So only two variables will be included in this exercise. So let's solve some questions. Question number 1 is, if x and y are connected parametrically by the equations given in question 7 without eliminating the parameter, find dy by dx. हम लोग को निकालना है dy by dx. And our question is, number 1 solution given x is equal to 2at square and y is equal to 8t power 4. Now see here, clearly it is seen as parametric equation because x and y is variables and also third variable is t. So this type of equations are parametric equations. So how to find dy by dx? First, we know that this thing dy by dx. How to find dy by dx? Our formula is dy by dx is equal to this dy by dt by dx by dt. It is the formula to find out dy by dx. So what we need? Dy by dt and dx by dt. So from here, and one more thing, these equations can be differentiated only in terms of third variable, not x and y. So it will be differentiated with respect to t, differentiating both sides with respect to t. That means it becomes dx by dt equal to this ddt, here 2at square. Now this becomes 2a is constant into t square differential x to the power n x to the power n minus 1, that means 2 t power 1, that means it is dx by dt equal to 4, 2 to the 4, 8. Now next we need this here. Now dy by dt. So we will differentiate with respect to t. A is constant and this t power 4 differential 4t, and this 4 minus 1, that means 3. It becomes 3. That means it is coming 480 cube. Therefore, we can find this dy by dx. So dy by dx, our formula is dy by dt by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? This 480 cube, and dx by dt is this 480. 4 cancel, a cancel, t is single t, and subtracting from this in the division power, subtracting t square. That means dy by dx is equal to t square. It is our required solution. So by this method we can solve all the parametric equations. Now question number 2 is x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b cos theta, and we need to find dy by dx. So formula of dy by dx, here third variable is theta, the formula is the same. This dy by dt by dx by dt, but in the case of theta, what we write? Dy by d theta by dx by d theta in the case of parameter theta. So we will write here differentiating with respect to theta. Here d theta dx by d theta is equal to d theta, here a cos theta, that means here dx by d theta equal to a is constant, cos theta derivative minus sin theta, that means dx by d theta is becoming here minus a sin theta. Now here dy by d theta is equal to d theta, this b cos theta. Now dy by d theta is equal to b is constant, cos theta derivative minus sin theta. So dy by d theta minus b sin theta. So we can put these two values in the dy by dx. So we can get here, that means our formula is dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta by dx by d theta. Dy by d theta is minus this dy by dx equal to this minus b sin theta divided by this dx by d theta, already found here, minus a sin theta, minus minus cancel, sin theta cancel, b by a. So our required solution is dy by dx is equal to b by a. It is answer. It was the solution of question number 2.